This is the ultimate Makita DHP485 18V Brushless Combi drill. A true workhorse that has earned its place as the go-to tool for professionals around the globe. It's known for its remarkable versatility and unmatched durability. The Makita DHP485 has a mechanical 2-speed gears which gives you the power to choose for maximum RPM or having higher torque for more toughened tasks, as it's all about having control in your hands. But that's not all, guys. This amazing combi comes with packed out features to enhance your drilling experience. With 21 clutch settings, this drill delivers up to 50 Nm of torque. No job is too tough for this machine. This drill can do up to 1,900 RPMs and 28,500 beats per minute effortlessly. Also, time to say goodbye to complicated bit changes. The 13mm keyless chuck allows for easy installation and removal of bits. It's all about efficiency and convenience. Need extra light during your projects? No problem. These dual LED lights will improve your visibility while at work, during day and night for perfect precision. Let's not forget about the convenience. It's a very small, compact design, 182mm long, perfect for tight spaces, and let's not forget, it's compatible with all 18V all Makita batteries. Take it anywhere you want. You can buy this as a body only unit or in this lovely kit that includes 2 18V 5A batteries, 1 charger, and this 21-piece bit set which looks like a battery in this heavy duty MacPack Type 2 case. If you have any questions, please drop them below, and also you know where to buy this powerhouse on toolsfortrade.co.uk.